Good day, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about this Angara cube, which is on wheel, and prediction proves spot on as per the same and as per the Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra. I had mentioned that the 4th March 2020 is most enigmatic for blast and the significations of Angara Kyog. Now, what is Angara Kyog? Angara Kyog is the conjunction of Mars and Rahu, and Mars is energy, fire, and Rahu is oil. That means explosions, warlike situations. So I had mentioned this, and it has proved spot on. There are multiple rockets fired at Iraq Air Base that hosts US coalition forces. So my predictions have proved spot on, and before that I had written an article about the warmongering countries, and I'd also mentioned that since the Saturn has completed a 30-year cycle from 1990 when we had the Gulf War, there is a possibility that in the Middle East there will be tension, especially after the Angara Kyog. And I had mentioned only in the morning, I had said as far as the insights for Mars are concerned, the date 4th March, 5th March, 20th March, 27th March are most prone to malefic happenings, untoward happenings. Maybe it is earthquake, maybe it is blast, maybe it is terrorism. So all that and warlike situations I had mentioned. So my predictions prove spot on, friends. There is an attack on Iraq, and previously US had launched, airstrikes on the Syria, and probably this is the retaliation. And now we have to see what happens next, because even 5th of March, and then I've also mentioned some dates when Rahu will be in adverse motion. Please read that article. I don't remember it, but there are 4 or 5 days when Rahu is also in adverse motion, and then when Rahu is in adverse motion, and especially when Moon is afflicted. Tomorrow Moon will be afflicted. It will be in Scorpio. It will be in Scorpio with Ketu. It will be debilitated first, then it will be with Ketu, and then it will be aspected by Mars. And in the square position from Venus and Sun. So friends, this is all just I wanted to share. So the predictions have proved spot on. Only in this morning, early morning, I had written about my insights for March 2021. Let's see what happens. The Angara Kyog is definitely very crucial, because I had mentioned earlier that as per my predictions in April 2019, when Mars was in Rohini Nakshatra at 19 degrees, and now a similar happening is going to take place on the 27th. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share, and thank you for listening to me, and have a good day.